seat, sit back and enjoy the night. One of the guests like croeso cynnes i'r digidon Thomas David, and welcome to the Mercure Holland House Hotel for the 5th Chartered Institute of Marketing Canmol Awards 2012. It is now my pleasure to introduce Dr. Jonathan Deacon, Chair of the Wales Board of the Chartered Institute of Marketing, to say a few words.
Tonight, I think we will see some excellent marketing. Submitting an entry for Canmol Awards has many benefits, it strikes us. Team building, forcing you to take time out to reappraise what you're doing, a reflective piece, very important. Benchmarking your activities against your competitors, and of course there's also these substantial PR opportunities which arise from being shortlisted and hopefully winning.
And the first winner tonight is Sun Show TV. Congratulations.
And the winner is Fwrdd.com. And the winner is A4.
And the winner of the Cardiff Business School Priority Sector Awards is Celtic Quest Coastal Area.
The winner is, ar enillydd yw, Lime Green Tangerine.
The winner, Emma Waddingham from Civitas Law.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Wesley Skeen from...
Would you please welcome on stage outstanding contribution to marketing in Wales, David Hyatt.
Winning the Canmol Award 2 years in a row is absolutely fantastic. It's wonderful for our team, for our company, and it really shows that what we're doing as a marketing team is working. It's helping us grow our business and get our products and services into the marketplace.
So winning the Canmol Award is totally amazing. The team are so excited, and we're also doubly excited the fact that we have also been entered into the Nationals, so the team will be delighted and excited for a few months to come.
Winning a Canmol Award it's just outrageous. It's awesome just to get the recognition for the team and I for the hard work that we put in over the course of the campaign in the last summer.
I think it sums up all the hard work that everyone in the 737 Challenge and Lime Green Tangerine, all the effort that these individuals put in to make it the success it was.
The biggest barrier I had to overcome was to sell marketing to the barristers, which they really have embraced, and I've gone forward with the ideas and projects that we've all come up with as a group. So yeah,
I'm so proud to be able to win this tonight. Such a prestigious award, and also to be nominated by the University of Glasgow.
Marketing is about values, and so do the stuff that's true and don't do the stuff that's not true.
After 5 years, the quality of Canmol is now unsurpassed. It's become a recognised part of the business landscape and certainly the awards landscape in Wales. And I think tonight we've seen why it should be part of that landscape and why the companies who have won the awards tonight, companies that are large and small, from east, west, north and south, why those companies should be pleased to have won an award. One thing that we kind of argue and debate about in marketing is its definition. But I think tonight we've seen that no matter how we define it, we know good marketing when we see it. And tonight we have seen 5 really excellent executions of brilliant marketing. On top of that, we've celebrated 2 individual marketers, Emma Waddington and David Hyatt, both of whom deserve their awards, Emma for New Marketer and David for outstanding contribution, a real outstanding contributor to the business and marketing landscape of Wales. So, Canmol, I think it's here to stay now, which pleases me no end.